Hello everyone, my name is Alper from MobilityPay. I'm here today to talk about and give a brief idea about our upcoming launch for EMV validation suite for the EMV chip card testing, which is targeted to use by the companies for manufacturing, testing, certifying, and issuance of EMV card into their premises. Mobility was working through the last 2 years on development of new testing tool, MAXxEMV card validation suite, to bring an innovative approach to ease and make efficient way of testing for EMV-based bank chip card and MAXswipe cards. I think everyone would agree with me that we live in such a time that everything requires to be handled rapidly. So we developed the desktop application to fulfill the gap of addressing this purpose for the EMV chip card testing. MAXxEMV validation suite meets the expectation for being flexible and comprehensive on EMV chip card testing. As we know, having the card delivered with certified profile values for the banks and personalization bureaus is crucial. MAXxEMV validation suite provides the environment for that purpose. So let's have a look what we purpose. Card profile testing against any predefined profile, facility to compare two card structure, test physical cards and as per MAXxEMV image or Visa VPA file, test card as per the generated EMV data in database, and comprehensive report generation about tests. For whom? Personalization bureaus, banks, card manufacturers, payment application developers, card issuers, payment schemas, and test laboratories. In terms of time, we can say that we offer less time spent doing routine manual testing, more time available for complex development time. Test pack can be run in minutes when it previously took an hour to explore all card structure as per generated customer data and schema profile. Quality. Greater test coverage finds more defects than regular card checking. The tool can be run automatic mass card mode, ensuring the quality remains high for card production, and fewer defects in production equals happier customers. In terms of cost, we can say that saves money over time by preventing of any defective cards dispatch. Avoids taking on temporary staff to do the same testing. Reduce the time to take into test, so saving the cost, and fewer defects in production and prevent extra card issuance costs. So we have three main versions. The first one is MAXxEMV Inline validation. MAXxEMV Inline validation start validating the chip card once the chip personalization is completed. Before the leaving chip station, the card has been validated and started reports generated by the system. Who can use this model? Who wants to do 100% card validation? Who has medium or less volume of card validation? The next version is desktop validation. MAXxEMV desktop validation involves the desktop printer to perform continuous card validation based on the card inputs. It validates the chip and max type and compares the data with MCCPV or Visa VPA profile. Who can use this model? Who wants to do 100% card validation? Who has high volume of card validation? Who wants to do continuous card validation on single click button? The last version is MAXxEMV standalone validation. MAXxEMV standalone validation comes up with a compact device model with a touchscreen and motorized card reader on it. This device can be used for one-by-one card validation and report generation. It also comes with a battery, so we can carry this device from location to another location. Who can use this model? Who has medium or high volume of card validation? Who wants to use compact touchscreen and device for card validation? Thank you for listening.